Hello students, welcome to BTech 360. Last week, the round 1 cutoff for CSAP counseling is already announced, and CSAP is Central Seat Allocation Board, and more than 14,500 seats are being dealt by CSAP at this point in time, of which within NITs, only for CS and allied branches, about 1,000 seats are there. And what we're going to cover now is branch-wise or the domain-wise. We'll cover in NITs what are the kind of cutoff that happened after round 1 this year as compared to what happened last year, so that you exactly know what are your chances of getting into a course or branch or institution of your choice. And right now what we're covering is CSAP counseling to 2026, NITs, only NITs, CS and allied branches. So we'll cover AI, everything that is there along with CSE is what we'll cover at this point in time. And what is the closing cutoff that we have now, and what was it last year, and where it can travel is also we'll also tell you, right? So we're comparing CSAP 2025 round 1 versus 26 round 1 closing rank analysis. So let's go one by one, right? Now there is also a lot of students who are reaching out to us because now we're at the fag end of the admission cycle. Some of you may have found a college of your choice and a branch of your choice. Some of you may not have found that. If you still are wondering and are still undecided, or if you still think that there is help needed for you to get into an admission into a decent college, please send us a message on this number 8130376334. Send us a message apply if you want to get into any of the private colleges in this country, and if you want to get into any of the foreign universities setting up campus in India, send us a message foreign, and one of the counselors of that relevant domain will call you up, understand your grievance, and try to help you out. Also, please do subscribe to BTech 360, because what we're doing is we're creating a lot of content to help students decide or make the best choice for themselves. And this is a series that we're creating. It's not a one-off thing. It's a series that we're creating where we cover everything that is needed by you, by any BTech aspirant, so that you take a very informed decision. And this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and also ranked among the top 3% globally. Now, so do subscribe to BTech 360 and do look out for Amity also. Now let's talk of NITs. I told you NITs and CSE is what we're talking about. What is the closing cutoff at this point in time in 2026? What was it in 2025? And we talk of outside the home state and home state. Both we will talk about it at this point in time. So we talk of NIT round 2026, round 1 versus 25 round 1, CS and allied branches for home state and outside the home state for all the NITs that we have in this country. Start with NIT Trichy, BTech CSE. Outside the home state last year was 1605, this year it's 1471, which means it's become that much more competitive. Home state last year was 4624, this year it's 4285, again it's become more competitive. Then NIT Karnataka Surathkal, BTech CSE again, last year 2158, this year it's 2265, which means it's eased off a bit. And here it's 3225 last year, this year it's 3664, which means again it's eased off here also at this point in time. Then NIT Surathkal, BTech Information Technology, 3739 last year, this year it's 29891, very, very competitive at this point in time. Last year home state was 6343, this year it's 6666. So here it's eased off a bit. NIT Warangal, BTech CSE, 2634 last year, this year it's 3119, and for home state 4052 and 4303 in the current year. NIT Surathkal again, BTech AI, last year was 3264 outside the home state, this year it's 3726 outside the home state, which is all India quota. Home state it was 3950 last year, this year it's 6488, it's eased off dramatically as we see it. Then NIT Karnataka Surathkal, BTech Computational and Data Sciences, 4470 last year, this year it's 3874, became much competitive. And home state 6879 last year, this year it's 3815, extremely competitive as we see it. NIT Warangal, BTech CSE, AI and Data Science, 3168 last year, 3909 this year, eased off a bit, 4583 for the home state, and 5642 in the current year home state. NIT Warangal again, BTech Mathematics and Computing, 3433 in the outside the home state category, 4078 in the current year outside the home state category. Home state, it's 6247 in 25, this year it's 7078. NIT Roorkela, BTech AI, it's 5172 in the current year outside the home state, and 14810 in the current year home state. And you also see the outside the home state, just look at that yourself. Motilal Nehru NIT, MNIT Allahabad, BTech CSE, 5727 outside the home state and 6926 within the home state. Both are keeping in pace with what happened last year. MNIT Jaipur, BTech CSE, 6240 in the current year outside the home state, which is similar to what you have, about 5% give or take, and 6832 for the home state. Again, similar to what happened last year. NIT Calicut, it's 6,999. It fell off dramatically from what was 5,964 last year. So 6,999 is outside the home state. And here also it's 9,438. Again, fell off from 8,601. So it becomes that much more easier for you. MNIT Jaipur, BTech AI and Data Engineering, 8,252 in the current year for outside the home state. And home state was 8,517, which was, it's 20% fall. It was last year 7,102. And this day it's 8,517. VNIT Nagpur, BTech CSC, 9,305 in the current year. Last year it was 7,600. So it's fallen dramatically if you noticed, right? And the same thing continued here also, because in the home state also, last year it was 6,929 after round 1. This year it's 9,784 CSAP counseling. So dramatic fall is what you saw in VNIT Nagpur across the board. NIT Delhi, BTech AI and Data Science, 9,417 this year. Last year it was 7,758. Again a dramatic fall. And here, by the way, that's outside the home state. Home state is what was 19,861 fell down to 17,722. So here it actually eased off, but here it's become that much more competitive. NIT Delhi again, BTech CSC, 10,028 in the current year. Last year it was 8,778 outside the home state, and in the home state is 16,428. NIT Jamshedpur, BTech CSC, 10,301, similar to what happened last year, and 12,508 for the home state, which exactly is what happened last year. NIT Kurukshetra, BTech CSC, 11,264 in the current year, outside the home state, which was 8,589 last year after round 1. Right? There is a lot of volatility that happens in CSAP because we're talking of limited number of seats and students preferring one against the other. And a lot of them also move on to other options, but this seems to be the case at this point in time, which is a dramatic fall. And on the home state, it is 10,985. MNIT Bhopal, BTech CSC, 11,272 in the current year for outside the home state, and 12,981 within the home state. SVNIT Surat, 12,589 in the current year outside the home state, which was 10,227 last year, by the way. And as far as home state is concerned, it's 9,342. So just look at it. Home state is much more competitive than outside the home state at this point in time. For NIT Surat, NIT Kurukshetra, 12,675 outside the home state, and 14,237 within the home state. NIT Kurukshetra, BTech AI and Machine Learning, 13,351 outside the home state, and 14,489 for the home state. And you also have the outside last year's numbers also, you can look at that. NIT Kurukshetra, 13,494 outside the home state, which was 11,668 last time, right? And within the home state, it is 16,506. NIT Durgapur, BTech CSC, 13,777 outside the home state, and home state is 20,775. SVNIT Surat, BTech Mathematics and Computing, 14,137 outside the home state, and 12,669 within the home state, and it's almost keeping pace with what happened last year. NIT Kurukshetra, BTech Maths and Computing, 14,564 outside the home state, which is 12,566. So again, a dramatic drop as you see it. And home state also fell dramatically to 18,037 from 16,235. SVNIT Surat, BTech AI, 14,860 in the current year outside the home state, which was 12,933 last year. And within the home state, it became that much more competitive. It was 15,755 against 17,000. So it worked opposite actually, if you notice this. B.R. Ambedkar, NIT Jalandhar, BTech CSC, 15,784 in the current year outside the home state, and 16,511 in the home state. Both have become that much more easier for you to get in. NIT Hamirpur, BTech CSC, 15,859 in the current year for the outside the home state, and 25,189 for the home state. NIT Durgapur, BTech Maths and Computing, 17,724 outside the home state, and 25,314, which was earlier 16,849 by the way. So just look at the kind of fall that it saw. A dramatic fall is what you saw as far as NIT Durgapur for BTech Maths and Computing case. B.R. Ambedkar University, NIT Jalandhar, 18,307 outside the home state, and 26,288 within the home state. B.R. Ambedkar, NIT Jalandhar, BTech Maths and Computing, 18,784 outside the home state, and 24,126, almost similar to what happened last year within the home state. NIT Hamirpur, 19,179 outside the home state, and 32,325 within the home state, similar to what happened last year. NIT Silchar, BTech CSC, 19,192, again a dramatic drop from 15,922, the merit has fallen. And the same thing continues here also, because home state also it's went up down to 33,272 from 23,668. B.R. Ambedkar, NIT Jalandhar, BTech Data Science and Engineering, 19,201 current year outside the home state, and 22,376 within the home state. Both have fallen in the quality of students. NIT Raipur BTech CSE 19,236 outside the home state and 24,202 within the home state. NIT Patna BTech CSE 20,028 outside the home state and 21,677 within the home state. You also have the previous numbers which are almost similar, about 10% plus or minus. NIT Patna BTech AI and Data Science 22,381 outside the home state and 24,389 within the home state. Again, almost 10% is the upward revision that you saw. NIT Kurukshetra BTech Industrial Internet of Things 22,468 outside the home state and 24,852 within the home state. So here it eased off. Here it became more competitive in the home state category. IEC Shibpur BTech CSE 22,479 outside the home state and 24,459 within the home state. Here it eased off dramatically by about 50%. NIT Raipur BTech Information Technology 22,548 outside the home state and 38,011 within the home state. NIT AP 25,803 outside the home state and 22,432 within the home state. IIT Shibpur 26,686 outside the home state, 27,047 within the home state, and it almost kept pace here, whereas here it's gone up by about 15%. NIT Puducherry BTech CSE 27,427 outside the home state and 89,510 within the home state. It's a dramatic fall actually if you see it from 66 to 89,000. BTech and NIT Agartala BTech CSE 27,782 outside the home state and 86,666 within the home state. It's almost kept pace with 10% plus or minus here. NIT Uttarakhand BTech CSE 27,909 outside the home state and 37,833 within the home state. NIT Manipur BTech CSE 53,848 outside the home state and 2,31,726 within the home state. So while the home state kept pace, outside the home state fell dramatically for Manipur, and we all know that there is some kind of a issue that's happening in Manipur because of a lot of students might not be preferring Manipur. That's what it looks like at this point in time. Now this is as far as CSE is concerned. We'll do it for the ECE and electronics and the other branches also as we move along. But this is what the CSAB round 1 counseling data is to show. If you still need any help in terms of getting a decent BTech thing because you think that your rank is not likely to get you a end result that you want in terms of the kind of college, the quality of college or the branch of your choice, and you want to get into any of the private colleges, do send us a message apply on this number 8130376334. And if you want to get into any of the campuses, foreign universities setting up campus in India and Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore and all, send us a message foreign on the same number and the foreign university counselors would be calling you up. Do subscribe to BTech 360 because we're creating a lot of content to help students decide for themselves in an objective way where we only present data and let you decide. If you still need help, as I told you, that's a helpline that we're giving you. And we're creating a series of this information so that you can decide for yourself in the best possible way. And this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and also ranked among the top 3% globally based on the World Universities rankings. I hope this helps you. If you want me to cover anything else, please write to me in the message box here. I'll be happy to cover that for you. Thank you so much, Naman.